Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're making something super exciting, homemade soya chop. It's a fantastic vegetarian dish that's not only healthy but packed with flavor. So, if you love the taste of chop from your favorite restaurants, stick around because I'm going to show you how to make it from scratch. Let's get started. First, let's gather all the ingredients we need. We've got soy chunks, soy flour, all-purpose flour, some skewers, and spices for later. It's all pretty simple, just a few basics to get us going. Alright, let's start by boiling our soy chunks. This will help soften them up so we can blend them into a nice paste. So, we'll just let these boil for about 10 minutes until they're soft. Once they're done, drain the water and let them cool for a bit. Next, we'll blend the boiled soy chunks into a smooth paste. You can use a food processor or blender, whatever you have at home. Now, mix this paste with our soy flour and all-purpose flour. We're creating a dough that'll be the base for our chop. Once you've mixed everything together, knead it into a nice, smooth dough. It should be soft but not too sticky. Now for the fun part, shaping the dough. We'll roll the dough into logs and carefully skewer them. If you've ever had chop before, you know this is the classic shape. Once they're skewered, we're going to boil these for about 10 to 12 minutes. This helps set the shape and gives them that firm, meaty texture. While our chop cools down, let's prepare the marinade. I'm using yogurt, turmeric, chili powder, cumin, and a little salt. This will give the chop that classic, delicious flavor. Once the chop is cool, we'll dip each piece into the marinade, making sure it's nicely coated. Let it sit for about 20 minutes to soak in all those flavors. Now, we grill. If you don't have a grill, a pan works just fine too. We're looking for a nice char on the outside. Look at that! Perfectly grilled soya chop, ready to be served. The charred edges, the spices, everything looks amazing. And there you have it. Homemade soya chop that's super easy, super tasty, and sure to impress. Whether you're a vegetarian or just looking for a healthy alternative, this dish is a winner. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes coming your way. Let me know in the comments if you try this at home or if there's anything else you want to see on the channel. Until next time, happy cooking!